Alright, hello, doing another quick little first look video. Found this knife on NAF sale. Seen some videos on it, thought it was kind of interesting. Got pickle in it. Check it out. The Two Sun. Comes in a little cloth. That's cool. It's the Two Sun TS270. Very interesting. Let's give it a first look. It's a big blade there. Woo. Very cool. Satin finish on there. TS270 M390. Very neat looking blade. I've been kind of wanting to check out a Two Sun. Action's pretty good on this. Definitely a larger knife. I really like this design. It's pretty cool. Wonder if I should mess around modding this a little bit. Put some colors on here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyway, just a quick little first look video. Cool how they made the handle here. Nice and smooth. Don't feel the seam much. Look at it again. Oh, that blade is neat. Finish on there is really cool. Oh, there it is, TS270. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.